A sensational cream for acne-prone skin. Revamin Acne Cream contains ingredients which reduce pimples and imperfections, cleanse the skin and moisturize it, reduce sebum and normalize the skin's condition, reduce inflammation and redness, support the maintenance of a healthy complexion. What is the phenomenon of Revamin Acne Cream? Revamin Acne Cream is an advanced cream against imperfections. Its concentrated formula penetrates deep into the skin, perfectly moisturizes and counteracts blemishes. It is a product created with the participation of people with problematic skin, ensuring that it addresses all the needs of acne-prone skin. Trust the power of Revamin Acne Cream's active ingredients and fight imperfections once and for all. Clinically proven effectiveness: more than 27% less acne lesions after just 1 month of using Revamin. Acne: 100% of respondents positively evaluated the cream's consistency and ease of application. In addition, the vast majority of respondents positively evaluated the moisturizing and conditioning properties of Revamin Acne Cream. Visit the official website in the comments for more information. Thank you.